Alright, so I have oxyacetylene. There's several types of PPE that you need. You need your goggles, you need your gloves, as well as you need your welding jacket. The welding jacket protects you from a lot, so you don't get burnt while you're welding. Then, next, you want to put the goggles on. And then, you got your gloves. Gloves help protect from touching hot metal, get your hands burnt, stuff that you don't want. The jacket protects from any metal getting in, and then usually you want closed-toed shoes, most likely boots. Alright, so I'm going to show you how the oxyacetylene torch works. You got these two valves up here. You flip them, and then on these regulators, this is acetylene. You regulate it. That's how you change how much acetylene you have going through your lines, going into your torch. Now, this is your oxygen. You always want your oxygen about 20, possibly 25. So, for example, I'm going to open up this valve. Since the valve's open now, I'm going to So, for some reason, this one doesn't want to work. And you would open this valve first and then adjust the gauge. Now, what you want is you want to have a striker. So, like one of these. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to slightly crack open your acetylene. And you're going to take your striker, stick it about right here, and bam. Always want to wear your glasses. Now, I'm watching black soot come off it. It's feathering out, so that's good. Now, you're going to slowly turn the oxygen until we get to about right here. This will create a nice flame and to weld, cut, really anything. And then when you shut one of these off, what you're going to do is you're just going to turn the acetylene off, which is the red line. And then as that's off, then you can turn your oxygen down and on. Black soot is basically just the acetylene coming through and it's just clearing out the way so you have a nice weld. But as well as the oxyacetylene torch, there's many uses of this torch. You can weld, you can cut. For example, this torch right here has a cutting torch end on it. This torch, when you press down, it's going to release more oxygen to make the flame hotter, and you're going to be able to slice through the metal a lot quicker. As well as if you were to weld with a filler rod, this is what you would like. This will make sure that you have a nice steady puddle, and you can just put the filler rod into that puddle and it'll melt the filler rod. You don't want to melt the filler rod off of the actual flame. You would rather have it in the puddle of the metal so that it will become a nice solid weld. And that, folks, is all about oxyacetylene torches.